Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to verify your PayPal account in 2025. Now, verifying your account unlocks the full features like sending the larger payments, withdrawing the money, and linking to your bank securely. So, without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to come here on paypal.com. You can also open the PayPal application on your mobile device. Over here, you need to first of all log in into your account with the help of your email address and your password. Here on the dashboard, you will see this particular banner that says verify your account to accept the payments from overseas customers. So you need to simply click on this option. Then you can upgrade to PayPal Business if you are using it for your business purposes. Now, if you don't want to do it, you just have to come here on the home page again. Now you need to click on the option of add a bank card. So doing it, you just have to link your debit or credit card, and then you need to link your bank account over here. Now, if you link a bank account, PayPal is going to send two small deposits on your account. In order to check your bank statements, then you need to return to PayPal and enter the exact amount. If you have linked your card over here, PayPal will charge a small temporary fee and give you 4-digit code in your card's statements. So you need to enter that code in order to confirm, and the fee will be refunded. So you can either link one or both of these. This way you will be able to activate your PayPal balance and it will come here on this page. Now you need to go to the settings of your account. Then you need to go to the account section and select the option of verification. Over here in verification, you just have to verify your account with the help of your government issued ID like a passport, license, or national ID. Then you need to simply provide those details and verify your account. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.